Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video, we write the Java code for question 4 of ICSE 2023 Computer Applications paper, which is to design a class to accept 10 characters, sort and display the original and sorted array. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers, only 1 or 2 are subscribed and a subscription is very important. So please subscribe to my channel. Alright. So this is the question 4 that we have to solve. Give it a reading. So we have to define a class to accept 10 characters from the user, and we have to use bubble sort to arrange them in ascending order. Then we have to display the sorted and original array. Alright. So I will define a class, say question 4. We can keep any class name. I'm keeping it question 4 because it is the solution for question 4. Okay, we need to accept 10 characters and sort them. So we need a character array. So I say private char arr. Okay, and how many characters do we need? We need 10. So in my constructor, I will say m is 10, which is the size, and I allocate arr array with 10 locations. Okay, it just says define a class, so it does not mention what constructors, what methods. So you have to write the bare minimum correct solution of the functions and the constructor so that it fulfills the requirement of this question. Okay, so my default constructor basically creates an array of size 10, and I have taken the size in this variable m. Then I have to accept 10 characters, so I write an accept method. Okay, I create a scanner class object to read from the user. Okay, and in the top I have to do import java.scanner. Okay, so we have to accept 10 characters, and there are more than one ways you can accept 10 characters. So I'm going to use the simplest way to code the solution right now, and at the end of the video I will show you other possible options that you can use to code this part. Okay, so I will say system.out.print. Okay, I will prompt the user to enter 10 space separated characters. Okay, I want the user to enter 10 characters, 2 characters separated by a space. Okay, I use a for loop. Okay, I less than m I plus plus, not taking 10, using m because I have taken m as a data member to store the size of this array. Okay, you can perfectly use 10 or arr.length, it does not make a difference. Okay, it is just for the ease of the reader to take a separate data member m. I read a string s using scanner.next. Now you cannot read a single character from a scanner class object. There is no method that will return a single character in a scanner class object. So what I do is I read single character as strings, and since the input of characters is going to be space separated, I can read 10 separate characters as 10 strings and then get the character ch as s.char at 0. Okay, and add it at the ith location in this array. Right, so now my accept method is done. There are a couple of more ways you can accept 10 characters. I will show you at the end. So next part is to use bubble sort. So I'm going to write a method public void sort, and we use bubble sort. So I say for int I equal to 0, I is less than m. Okay, and then for int j equal to 0, j is less than m minus 1 and j plus plus. Okay, the order has to be ascending order. So I say if arr of j is greater than arr of j plus 1. Okay, and since you can compare characters directly using greater than less than symbol, since they basically represent ASCII values, you can say char temp is arr of j, arr of j is arr of j plus 1, arr of j plus 1 is temp, and my sort method is done as well. Moving on to the next function, which is to display. So I'll say public void display. Okay, you can choose any function name. You can choose print, display, or anything. So I use system.out.print. Okay, I use a for loop. Okay, then I use system.out.println. Okay, so I want to print the array. If the array is something like 0 1 2 3, I want to print the array like this: 0 1 2 3. Okay, so I say system.out.print arr of I plus a space, because this is my array name. Okay, and my class is done. So you don't have to write a main, but I'm going to write a main to test this out. So I'm going to say public static void main string args. Let me add some code to test this. So this is my code for the main. I'm creating an object of question 4. I'm calling the accept method to accept 10 characters. I print the original array with a message. Then I sort, and then I print the sorted array. Okay. So let me compile this. So Java C. Yep, all good. Java ICSE Java 4. So enter 10 space separated characters. So I say A F O P R Y U M W Q. Okay. So original array is this, and sorted is A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z, which is correct. Running this again, I say O T R E D L K H F N. Okay, I get this. So this was the solution to this problem. All right, now let me show you a couple of other things you can do. So instead of this, you can say enter 10 characters. Okay, so these are not space separated. So in that case, what we do, I say string characters is scanner dot next. Read all the characters together and then get the ith character, something like this. Characters dot caret I. So in this case, we are supposed to input all the 10 characters together without a white space in between them, because we have just one call to next which will read the entire string. Okay, so clear, compile, run. Okay, so I say A F G K G O P L W. So these are the original set of characters and this is the sorted set. Okay, running this again. Okay, so we have these 10 characters. All right, so this is the output. So you could also use next line instead of next and it will work the same, because you are reading just one single string. So I clear, compile, run. So I say tvg. So these are the 10 characters of input and this is the sorted set of characters in ascending order. Okay, running this again. Okay, these are the sorted set of characters. Also, you could also use a buffered reader object here or data input stream object here to read. So if you are using a buffered reader object, you can use the read method, but you don't have to include white spaces, because read method in buffered reader class will read a white space as well. Okay, so if you want me to add the code for that as well, let me know in the comments. I will add the code for that, but for now this will do for you. Okay, so I'm going to comment this out. Okay, comment this out, comment this out. I will use this. So putting the code to what it was, clear, compile, run. Okay, okay, and this is the output. Okay, so this was the solution to this problem and I hope this was helpful. So if you want me to solve this question in Hindi as well, please let me know in the comments. I will add a video of this solution in Hindi as well on my Hindi channel, and I will also add the link of the code for this solution in the description. You can check it out. And I have solved and also will be solving other questions of ICSE 2023 Computer Applications paper. I will keep adding the links of those videos in the description so you can check that out as well. So I hope this was helpful and you like this video. So if there is any doubt or question you want to ask about the solution, please don't hesitate to mention that in the comments. And you can always let me know in the comments if there is a question you want me to solve or if there is a concept you want me to discuss. And if there is something that you did not like about this video, please just don't press the dislike button. Please also let me know in the comments what was it that you did not like about this video so that I can improve on my further videos. Thank you.